2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the stunning revival of a beloved automotive icon. Blending classic curves with modern innovation, Volkswagen has brought back the spirit of the original Karmann Ghia with a design and engineering language that speaks to both nostalgia and progress. Once known as the elegant sibling of the Beetle, the new Karmann Ghia emerges as a luxurious yet sporty coupe that prioritizes style, comfort, and performance. Its return signals Volkswagen's commitment to its heritage while pushing the envelope of modern automotive technology. Exterior: the 2025 Karmann Ghia stays true to the original's hallmark curves and graceful lines, offering a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette that instantly turns heads. Designed by Volkswagen's heritage-inspired styling team in collaboration with Karmann's legacy design elements, the bodywork features a low stance, rounded fenders, and a distinctive swooping roofline. LED lighting is seamlessly integrated into both the front and rear, with the headlights evoking a subtle retro shape but utilizing the latest Matrix LED technology. The wide front grille is minimalist but elegant, flanked by air curtains that improve aerodynamics. Along the sides, sculpted character lines and flush door handles give the coupe a modern, high-end feel. At the rear, slim LED taillights wrap into the quarter panels, and an integrated spoiler adds a hint of sportiness without detracting from the car's classic elegance. Buyers can choose from a range of vibrant, retro-inspired colors, including seafoam green, sunburst yellow, vintage red, and classic cream. All trims come with 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels featuring designs that harken back to the original Ghia's signature look, modernized with lightweight materials. Performance unlike its air-cooled ancestor, the 2025 Karmann Ghia comes equipped with a fully modern powertrain lineup. It is available in both gasoline and electric variants, appealing to purists and eco-conscious drivers alike. The base gasoline version is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 240 horsepower and 275 lb-ft of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This setup delivers a refined driving experience with responsive acceleration, ideal for daily commuting or weekend cruises along scenic roads. For those embracing electrification, Volkswagen offers an all-electric Karmann Ghia variant based on its MEB platform. This version delivers up to 300 horsepower and 340 lb-ft of torque, with an estimated range of 280 miles on a full charge. Fast charging capability allows for an 80% recharge in just 30 minutes. The electric model offers a quiet, smooth ride with impressive torque from a standstill, enhancing the car's sporty character while reducing its environmental footprint. Both versions feature a sport-tuned suspension system, offering agile handling and a composed ride. A low center of gravity and precise steering ensure that the Karmann Ghia drives as confidently as it looks, blending old-school charm with contemporary performance. Interior: inside the 2025 Karmann Ghia, vintage inspiration meets modern luxury. The cabin exudes elegance with premium materials like quilted leather seats, brushed aluminum accents, and polished wood trim. Volkswagen has paid careful attention to detail, integrating retro styling cues such as the dual cowl dashboard, circular air vents, and toggle-style switches while still offering the tech and comfort of a modern Grand Tourer. The driver's cockpit features a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a 13-inch infotainment display with haptic feedback and voice control. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging come standard, as does a 14-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system. Ergonomics are thoughtfully designed, with heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and dual-zone climate control. Despite its coupe design, the Karmann Ghia offers ample headroom and legroom for both driver and passenger. The rear seats are best suited for short trips or additional storage, though fold-flat functionality adds versatility for longer journeys. Safety is comprehensive, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking included across all trims. An available parking assistant with a 360-degree camera simplifies urban driving and tight parking situations. Price and trims. Volkswagen offers the 2025 Karmann Ghia in 3 main trims: Classic, GT, and E-Ghia. The base Classic trim starts at around $39,000 and includes the turbocharged gasoline engine, manual transmission, leatherette seating, and the full suite of safety and infotainment features. The GT trim, starting at approximately $45,000, adds the DSG transmission, larger wheels, adaptive suspension, upgraded interior materials, and a more aggressive exterior styling package. The top-tier E-Ghia begins at roughly $52,000. This electric model includes everything from the GT Plus exclusive EV styling, a unique lighting signature, enhanced infotainment features, and extended driver assistance options. Optional packages include the Heritage Pack, which adds special badging, two-tone paint, and vintage-inspired upholstery, and the Touring Pack, which includes an upgraded audio system, navigation, and enhanced ambient lighting. Overall impression: the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a modern coupe. It's a statement of timeless design brought to life with cutting-edge technology. It pays homage to one of the most stylish Volkswagens ever built, while offering the performance, comfort, and connectivity expected from a 21st-century vehicle. With its blend of charm and capability, the new Karmann Ghia is poised to attract both classic car enthusiasts and a new generation of drivers seeking something distinct in the crowded coupe market. Whether you opt for the turbocharged gasoline model or the all-electric E-Ghia, this is a car that makes every drive feel special.